Hey guys, welcome my vlog!
You want ice cream? Anong favorite mong fruits?
Papa,
It's grapes.
I hate it.
Oh, ganyan.
I like pepper. I like.
It's grapes. It's banana. It's banana. It's ice cream. Anong lasa? How's the ice cream?
So yummy.
Yummy. Mmm. So the next is say grapes.
Wait.
Grabe, ang creative.
Yummy.
Mmm.
Ah.
Mmm.
Ah.
Kaya mas gusto ko yung banana.
Yummy. Wag, akin to. Yummy. Sa'yo banana.
Harap ng banana.
Kala ko tinatanggal talaga ito eh.
Sarap yung banana, sarap.
I-rebate yan ko. Talagang lahat.
Ako din.